Hi, it's Amanda here, Creative Gardener. So I am out with some interesting weeds and I just want to show you some of them and show you some of the ways in which I utilize them, because a weed is just something that grows. What is it they say that there are some plants that people consider weeds that I would never consider a weed. So it's plants that grow profusely, seed, and just, I mean, if you look behind me, my little fern village, um, some might consider that a weed, but I love it. Anyway, so let's get on. I think these are called dandelions, of the same family anyway, but I've found three other varieties right here growing on this limestone. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, here they are. I've got a little patch growing here. So some would consider, I would consider this a weed. And what happens is it has these little tufty things, little lovely little yellow flowers, but from a few plants, it's just under the house. This is supposed to be my seed gathering and well, over in this corner is where I use all my seeds and sort all my seeds. Anyway, so they've been growing really well. So I just assumed they was weeds. I didn't think dandelion tea. But a friend said to me, oh, a friend said that he had some dandelion growing, and he gave me some leaves, and he said, oh yeah, you know, these are vegetables, and you know, you could use it as like in a salad and chop it up or use it in a tea. So I took it with me, and then I thought, oh, I've actually got these, but I only had a few at the time, and because I've left this here, I haven't really been out here, they've actually seeded and spread quite widely. But I was watching a YouTube video, and the guy was saying that he was taking his weeds and he was putting them in his banana patch, and I thought to myself, let me just chop off the head bit where the flowers are and all the seeds are, and let me just use the leaves and put them by my banana patch. And that's what I've done. So okay, so in my wheelbarrow, as I've said, cut off the tops and just using the bottoms because there's no seeds or plants here. So these will just die down. This is, I think this has quite a lot of water, a bit of water in it anyway as well. And let me just show you, I've discovered three different types of not alternatives, varieties of this plant. So this one down here has, as you can see, pink flowers, really pretty. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to move this in a different spot, and I'll show the other two. So I've got a cotton plant there as well as here. Now let me show you the other two plants. Okay, so I saw this one just by chance. It's got smaller flowers, let me see, and a smaller kind of plant base there. So it's low growing, and I've got a few others there, and there's one here as well, but they're really pretty. I just thought they were really pretty. I like the leaves, the colour of the leaves. Here's the other little one that I've discovered here. It's not the same in terms of the leaf structure, and it's got these little delicate purple flowers on the top. So I want to kind of just keep those and see how they grow in a clump, but not necessarily here. There's this one that I found also growing. I've seen it elsewhere, but I have usually just you know, got rid of it, and I think that's the same one here, but it grows kind of not like a vine, but it kind of travels. I'll think of the word. It crawls, but I really like the colours of the leaves. So this is my fern village that Cole is wandering through. I've always, I thought to myself recently, I think because I always plant a lot of seeds. I think not working in a nursery, but having my own nursery is something that I actually quite like, because I like the idea when I sow seeds, I'm always sowing more than just a few, and I love, all of the plants growing. And so what I do here is not only use it for cut plants, but also, if somebody wants to purchase these ferns only like shade, and that's why they're doing really well under here. But this place not only then doubles as my seed. Did I leave a cup under here? My seed starter, but it also is a home for the ferns. So I'm going to take this lot and put it by the bananas. There you go. As you can see, I've just surrounded the bananas, and so they'll break down, because I was thinking about the Mexican sunflower and I didn't have enough, so this has come in handy. So I'm going to get some more. So thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Wanted to keep that short. Something you can do with your weeds. And yeah, see you next time.